Merchandise time once more. Always merchandise time. Got 2 big boxes today, and I think there's a lot of goodies in these. One of them is not so big, the other one is pretty big. We start off with the small one. Bubble Bobble t-shirt. I have a customer that has been waiting for so long for Bubble Bobble stuff, and I don't even think that we got all of them yet. It's so annoying. Yeah, hope he's still waiting. Nendoroid. Marin Kitagawa. Not quite sure how far away should these be, like this? Minions iPod case. I actually have it in Batman. These are funny. I mean, it doesn't look like no one else's iPod case, that's for sure. Boy, then we have this one. Actually looks like one of the goblets we saw that was broken. This is a storage box where you lift off the front skull here, and you get all kinds of stuff in this series. It's really cool looking, I must say. I think it's some kind of resin that they chrome plated. And we have this one, Toy Story D-Stage Alien Racing Car. These are the dioramas that they make, D-Stage. They make all kinds of different dioramas, and they actually look pretty great. And we have Pop-Up Parade, Miles Edgeworth. So many figures. If anyone knows how many different Pop-Up Parades figures there are, please write it in the comments. I actually have no idea. It's kind of like with the Funko Pop. It's crazy so many there are. 2 of the same. 3rd season winter version. Isn't this Hakuni Matata? Hatsune Miku. Nice outfit. Looks great. Always so many colors on these kits here. Not kits, figures, statues. And we have this one, Plamax HH01. This looks great. Wow. That's a model kit. 2 seconds. Sorry for the small break. Had a dog that had to go outside. Multiverse Batman Who Laughs and Robin of Earth 22. Saw a couple of these. What is this? Sorry. Black Adam Zabak from the DC Multiverse. And the Batman, the Riddler. Also looks great. Last thing here in this one is Silver Age All Might, My Hero Academia. This has, as far as I recall, been cancelled, so yeah, great. I have to get rid of it some other way, so it will be immediately available at the Rodkassen, which is the name for in Danish for a box filled up with different kinds of stuff. Then we have this long one. Let's see. They have hidden in this one. Unboxing this is always nice, right? Let's have to get rid of all this package materials that we kind of like because we reuse it. Okay, so let's start. The dog's toys, not merchandise. We got the Jake Sully and Skimwing. They always have these nice colors that are actually changing, kind of like they're fluorescent. And we have this incredible, awesome Star Wars, the Black Series Force FX Elite. Not quite sure if you can see it. It's Rey Skywalker. And it's not light. I mean, it's just kind of heavy. It looks very nice. Take a look at that. Almost like you really want one yourself. Sometimes I really have to control myself. This, I know what it is. Because I have it myself, I'm not gonna unbox it. This is the Quidditch, I think it's not called that, chess game from Noble Collection. It's the Harry Potter version. It's a very, very beautiful chess game. We have it in the showroom or at the couch area, and you should have seen it if you follow me a lot of times. What's this? Avatar, the Last Airbender, Momo plush. This, what is this? Cyclones and Nightstick. This is Transformers legacy stuff. Can't really see anything and it's enclosed, so I'm not gonna open that one. What is this? This is Marvel Legends Toad. Look at that ugly grin and his huge tongue. You actually get two toads as well. Huh. What's this? This looks great. But it's Cattleya scale painted figure binding. This looks awesome. I'm not gonna open that one. And we have this one, Funko. Let's see what's inside. All kinds of stuff. Let's get closer. More paper. We got the Darth Vader. Looks quite cool, actually. Then we have female body, Yuki, with techwear outfit. And Sukiban body, Makoto Figma. And then we have all kinds of Star Wars down here. We have the Emperor. The dog just ran away with some packaging material. The Emperor. We have Luke Skywalker. We have the Biker Scout and Lando Calrissian. I remember this guy. I had him as a child. I think I actually have that figure still. What I like about these is they look exact. I have this one as well. Exactly like they did then. As far as I recall, where it's kind of different with the Masters of the Universe because they made some different stuff. And I think it's the same with the G.I. Joes as well. Han Solo. A nice little collection. Folder and tray that's empty. So guys, that's it. We had a lot of Star Wars action figures, Batman, lightsabers, plushes, anime, Avatar, AirPod stuff. So I still have 4 incoming merchandise orders. Not been picked yet, so it will take some time. But I will make more videos later this week, that's for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing here. Please write in the comments if you want me to do something different. Some of the figures and stuff I can't unbox because I think it would be something the customer should do themselves. But anyways, if you got some suggestions or anything, just write in the comments. I will try to fulfill your wishes. See you.